Hello friends, today we are going to do an experiment which will prove that a floating object displaces the same amount of water as its weight. To prove that, let us see. We need a boat of clay, a weighing scale, a bottle with a hole and a straw attached to it like this, and a measuring cup under the straw. Now we need to on the weighing machine. It says 0 grams right now. The boat is about 11 grams. Now, when I put the boat into the water, it should release about 12 milliliters of water.
11, right?
11. Now let's place it carefully. About 11 milliliters.
Can we check how much is the water?
It's right above 10. We can imagine it as 11 milliliters.
So what it proves?
It proves that a floating object displaces the same amount of water as its weight. Thanks for watching.